Hi everyone, how to earn money on YouTube. Now I'm going to talk about 5 ways how to earn this money from your blog on YouTube. Let's go. First, ad integration. When you sell the attention of your audience to advertisers, any advertisers. So for example, you're a blogger, you create very interesting content which is popular among your subscribers, among your watchers, and now you see that you have relationships with your subscribers, like you're not friends, okay, but they support you. If they support you, it means that they are loyal to you, loyal to your words, loyal to your thoughts, and so on. And what if you share some paid recommendation with them? Why not? It may bring a lot of money to you as a blogger, and I think you know these bloggers who get lots of money from such ad integrations, and at the same time they are great YouTube creators. Their content is really high quality and their subscribers, their watchers, they love them. Why not? Why not sharing paid recommendations? Attention now is the most expensive, the most valuable thing in the world, and advertisers, they are ready to pay this money. Advertisers pay not only for attention, they pay for your relationships between you and your subscribers. The second way of earning money on YouTube is referral links. You can use or you can buy some goods, services. You are a client of such businesses, and you can also take a link, for example, from their app, a referral link with special code or something like that, and place it in the description under your video, and then you can also say to your subscribers, to your watchers, that they can check it in the description and follow and buy something with a discount, for example. And you, with the help of this referral link, can get some money or some points because you attract this new customer for this business. It's a kind of ad integration, but in fact you are like a promoter of someone's business. I know one blogger who shares the link of one marketplace with his subscribers, and they buy everything he suggests, everything he recommends, and he never pays for his own purchases in this app. Can you imagine? I think it's a great deal. Moreover, he also can take some money from this app. The third way of earning money from YouTube is monetization. It means that you and YouTube have become partners. So you have your placement, your blog, you work on the content, you create some great videos with lots of views and so on. And then you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watching your videos. So it means that you gain some characteristics which are allowed for YouTube partnership. YouTube is going to show some ads on your channel before your videos, like pre-rolls for 5 or 10 seconds, and in the middle of the video. And you can't choose advertisers, you can't choose which exactly is going to be shown. Of course, the theme of ads depends on the theme of your channel. And the amount of money which you can get from YouTube, of course, depends on the theme of your channel and the country of your subscribers and viewers. You can run your own business, then run your own blog about goods or services which you provide with the help of this business, and now you are like placement for your own business, for advertising goods, services. You don't depend on other bloggers, other ways of distributing, and the main thing that you can attract lots of viewers, lots of customers, like freely, only with the strength of your content. It doesn't mean that you should be only like entrepreneur, a classic entrepreneur. You may also be an entrepreneur in online business. You can sell your online courses, workshops, marathons, and so on. And the last way of monetization your YouTube blog, donations. Lots of bloggers have placed a special link with their donating wallets in the description of their videos, for example, and then they ask their subscribers to follow this link and make a donation. It's optional. It doesn't mean that all subscribers should do this, but if they want to get special content or content they want to have, like, you know, this early viewing, they also can make a donation. There have been 5 ways of how to earn money from your YouTube blog. Please dare and try. If you like this video, please thumbnail up, then subscribe on my YouTube channel and ring the bell.